everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make a cross pattern for all kinds of macrame projects. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I've gone ahead and attached 7 ropes to a dowel rod using a lark's head knot, and I've just arranged them so I alternate colors. Our first step is to start tying square knots around the yellow ropes. So to do this, I'm going to leave off the rope here on the far left, take the next cord, then I'm going to skip the 2 yellow cords and take the next white cord. And I'm going to use these 2 cords here to tie a square knot around these 2 yellow cords. I'm going to take the cord on the right, cross it over those 2 yellow cords to form a loop, then the side on the left is going to go over that right rope, behind the 2 in the middle, and up through the loop. And then I'm just going to pull that tight. Now I'm going to take the side on the left to cross over the 2 cords in the middle to form my loop. The side on the right then is going to go over that left cord, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And then I just pull that tight. And that is how you make a square knot. And I'm just going to be doing this all the way across. So I take my next cord, skip the 2 yellow cords, and take the next one. Now we will start tying our second row of square knots. I'm still going to be tying these square knots around the yellow cords in the middle, but this time I'm going to take the cord here on the far left, that one we originally skipped, and then to use the cord on the right, I'm going to skip this one that we had previously used and use the next one. And this is what's going to cause us to have a cross pattern. You'll see what I mean. I'm going to take that right cord over the 2 in the middle as we did before. Then that left goes over that right cord, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And pull it tight. Take that left cord to cross over the 2 in the middle. Side on the right then goes over the left, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. Now I'm going to take the cord we left off, skip this yellow cord and take the next one and tie a square knot. And as you can see, this is what causes the fun crisscross pattern. Moving on to the third row, I'm going to use this cord here and this cord to tie around the yellow. And there we go. This is just a fun little pattern that causes great crisscrossing effect for wall hangings, plant hangers, or any other project you can think of. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.